Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedaredla. Let's do your reading for the month of December 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Virgo. Wow. If you have seen that, great. That was actually a flyer and it was Ace of Swords, okay, which is a powerful card. You and Capricorn might be dealing with Libra a lot, okay. You can check out Capricorn reading. It might be significant, and for you also flowers might be significant, especially blue and orange, okay, and even something to do with green, maybe greenery, okay. I can see almost like orange, red, blue and green will be very, very significant, okay. I know these are like RGB, but it might be significant, okay. I'm wearing red, okay, so red is also significant. Even the card red might be significant. Yeah, so Ace of Swords represents that you might be connecting with the Libra in the month of December a lot, and a lot of very high vibrational messages will come from Libra person, because this can spark you up, this can enlighten you, same like the thunder. It will come from two directions, okay. So both the sides of the brain, hemispheres of the brain, will get activated, okay, and enlightened. You will also become more intelligent in the month of December. Yeah, coming next to Hierophant, it also suggests that gaining knowledge is not only the thing, it's also you have to teach other people. Hierophant card, you have to be a spiritual teacher. Coming next to Ace of Swords, Hierophant. You will receive knowledge, but you have to teach other people. When you teach other people, the cycle will repeat. You will go back, because you are giving away something, you will get something again, how you got previously, okay. So when you're gaining information, you should also share information. When you do that, again you will gain a lot of new information. That will again in turn you have to teach. That is Hierophant card. And you got Justice. That was a flyer also. Yeah, as I told in the beginning, you might be connecting with Libra. Even Capricorn got as their first card. You can check out Capricorn reading. As I said, I'll mention in the icon there, and also all the playlist of December 2020. You might be connecting with Libra a lot. Ace of Swords, Hierophant and Justice. A little bit of Gemini also I can see, okay. You will learn how to behave, especially when you learn about karma. When you realize it, you know it, but when you realize it, that's when you know how to behave. You will learn how to behave. You will stay balanced also. You will stay rooted. You will make decisions thinking twice. You will make decisions looking the outcome and also both the scenarios. If I do yes, if I say yes, what will be the outcome? If I say no, what will be the outcome? And depending on the outcome, depending on the visualization of the outcome, you'll take the decision, okay. That will happen in the month of December a lot. And Three of Swords represents, again, you might be connecting with a Libra. You will understand what Libra has gone through in life, because Justice is Libra. And coming next to, yeah, it's a deep card. Three of Swords is a deep card. So you'll understand why, what Libra has gone through in life. And also you'll understand that there is so much depth in life. There is so much deeper things that it is not even revealed. Because you can see the swords are in the dark. And people are not exposed to these swords. They are in the light. So you'll understand that after listening to the story of this Libra person, you'll feel quite sad, okay. But again, you will understand that there is so much depth to life. There is so many things that is not uncovered in the public and in the spotlight. That's what you'll come across. Four of Cups. You'll try to search answers. You'll try to research more and more about life. and you'll try to do as much as you can to go wherever you can, how deep ever you can possibly. You'll try to do that and to find answers. That's what you'll do. I feel like even though you have some kind of work behind, you will neglect it and try to search for answers regarding anything what is in your mind. Yeah, you will have a keen interest in saving money and also investing money in the month of December. You will learn how to invest, you will learn how to save, and a lot of knowledge will come from the Libra person about that, because you got Ace of Swords below Nine of Pentacles. Okay. December is quite a good month for everyone. As of at least the universe wants to present to you that your life is good, even though it may not be good. Okay. Because this Three of Swords is again Libra and it's not Virgo. Okay. So universe is not trying to tell Libra person that you are sad and stuff like that. It's trying to make sure that the respective zodiac sign stay positive. That's what universe wants to deliver the message here. But this is what you will experience. Okay. So that's not a problem. Nine of Wands represents that yeah, you will quite understand that saving money doesn't affect much. You feel like saving money also kind of blocks you, because Nine of Wands is a block card. You learn how to invest. That's what will happen. You learn how much to save and how much to invest. That's what you will learn. Also, you'll try to search answers with spirituality, because you can see Four of Cups. I told you, you'll be searching for answers in the dark, but there is a moon over here and there is a moon over here. So you'll try to reach towards this moon and search for answers. Okay, that's what will happen. So let's see what cards we have. So as the 8th card, you got Six of Cups. Yeah, you'll search answers looking at people's you'll search answers looking at history, and it has to do with people will share something related to their life, and this has to do with some history. Maybe you'll read historical books or something related to old books. Okay, because Six of Cups is past things and it has deep roots, this tree. So you look at, you will go back in the past. You want to even focus on new thoughts, the new thought philosophies. You'll go back to the old thought philosophies and read historical books and gain answers from there. Star card, yeah, absolutely. You might be reading about stars also, like nakshatras, and get answers from there. And you feel like everything happened in the past is quite distant. You feel like even the tree, how much level of height it has to grow, how much level of roots it has to have, how many roots it has to have. You know that everything happens for a reason and everything is destined and calculated. That's what you will believe. And you feel like everything is left to the stars. Okay. That's what you will understand and believe. Wow, Seven of Pentacles at the last. Wow, this is quite deserving for you in the month of Virgo, in the month of December, Virgo. It is a progressive month. December is a progressive month, and this month is in a good way. I can tell in a good way, this is a progressive month, and it's an add-on to 2021. It's an additional month for 2021. It's if this is December, this is Jan, this is Feb, like that. So it's just an add-on for 2021 in a good way. I'm telling you. Okay, it's a good way. It's a good way, and this is a progressive month. As I told, whatever you have to learn in 2021, you will learn in December itself. You will start learning in December itself. which is quite good. I have never seen this kind of message in other readings, so it's quite special for you. Wow. Moon card in the bottom of the deck. Capricorn also got moon card in the bottom of the deck. They got justice. Lot of symbolism of moon, because you got 4 of cups, which represents moon in the top. 9 of wands has moon, and you got moon in the bottom of the deck. Yeah, you might also teach Capricorn person how well you have to use your emotions, and how well you have to use your emotions with regards to career and finances. Okay, because I can see you're quite rooted when it comes to emotions. Even though you got moon as the bottom of the deck, you're quite stable, but Capricorn person was not quite stable. Okay, they were in a energy where they tend to get influenced in taking emotional decisions, okay, which can affect in the further run, and that realization comes later for them. But you know everything, you quite know that you quite know how to predict things. That's what I can say. You see beyond and visualize what can happen depending on the decisions you make. That's what I told in the beginning of the reading when Justice card came. You will quite see, depending on the situation, you will visualize. If I say yes, okay, this is the outcome. If I say no, this is the outcome. You tally both of them and see which is good, and based on that you will take decision. That's what you will do. You're quite self-aware and kind of how to predict the future a bit. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. A lot of Capricorn and Libra connection in the month of December, and a lot of insights will come from Libra, and you will be teaching to Capricorn person is what I'm seeing. And a lot of December is a progressive month. You will learn a lot. You will also, there will be chances where you can upgrade in your business, or if you are studying, you will move into another level. Okay, and you learn a lot about the universe and stars. And yeah, you are in search for this knowledge and answers, and you will decide. You will do it individually. You will kind of go alone and try to find answers and learn how much ever you can. That's what is happening, and that's a beautiful thing. That's a very beautiful thing, because here you got moon, okay, in the 9 of wands also. I'll come back to that. You got moon here. So while searching, you will use your inner feeling. This is something which you are passionate about. We can see this clearly. Okay, when you're searching, there is a moon over here. In the bottom of the deck, there is moon. So you're finding answers. You're going after something which you're passionate about. And even when blockages come, like the 9 of wands, you can see there is moon over here. Your passion doesn't die away. Your passion doesn't fade away. It will still be there. When blockages come, you'll try to realize, you'll try to analyze why it came. But your passion will be still there. You'll try to move, and you'll understand way better. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. That's all I have for you, Virgo. It's a kind of beautiful reading, because December is an add-on to 2021, and the things you have to learn at 2021, you're starting to learn in December. You're also learning and teaching. That's what the first 2 cards represent. You're learning from Libra, and you have to teach other people. And it quite says that you will teach Capricorn person a lot. Okay, it can be many people in the further run, but as of now, energies are like that. That's all I have for you, Virgo. If you like the reading, click the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And if you'd like to get a personal reading, because the monthly predictions what I'm doing on YouTube is for the collective, for the people who have Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter as Virgo. But if you have Libra Moon or Libra Ascendant, based on what your energies are, and to get a personal reading, you can reach out to me. You can look at this poster. You can find all the services. I do tarot readings, I do astrological readings, life coaching and daily readings. You can call to me with this number, and also contact me in social media. I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. And yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Virgo.